I have never seen a piece of metal with so many holes in it and still be a piece of metal.
Definitely got good flex. Happy with that. See? Look, we have good flex. That's a lot of clearance. Nice. Score!
We'll put that in the metal pile.
You know what? That's going to be part of our sign.
All right, we'll keep it.
That's going to be the beginning of the R, maybe.
We'll take the rest out of it.
Yeah, yeah. That'll be part of the Redneck'R off-road sign.
Now we definitely got to do something about your bumper. There's not much bumper left, sir. Oh, all right.
Yeah. Now it is stubby and midget.
Oh, that came out way prettier than what I thought it would. Cool. Right there. Wow. Here, now we'll take a break and you can learn something else. You see the way this weld looks?
Mm-hmm.
As opposed to just a straight shot like all the rest of these. So what it is, I work the puddle back and forth, but it's got a straight weld underneath it. So this has twice as much wire in it as the weld underneath it.
Mm-hmm.
So it's the equivalent of almost 3 passes.
Oh, wow.
Done in 2 passes, and being it's much wider, it distributes the load more.
Yep, that makes sense. You're planning on jerking on this thing really hard, aren't you? Yeah, turning a boat trailer into a bumper, no big deal. But screen on a door, that's a challenge for this man. That is redneck if I ever heard it. Yeah, that'll hold. I like. Thank you, sir. This is awesome, dude. That's awesome.